Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm 8 years old and this is my Laura's gift. It's Miss Fittens. Here the other ones I got. Archie. Jet. Whiskers. And Luna.
Oh, you have 4.
Yes, I have 4 and this
Now
is my 5.
you've got 5.
This is my 5th.
Oh, what is the guess of Tita Cell?
The guess of Tita Cell is Star.
Mommy is?
Milo.
How about Daddy?
Gibson.
Gibson.
That's Gibson.
Gibson.
Gibson yan. And my guess is Kiki.
Okay. So let's open it.
Gibson. Gibson. Gibson.
Ano ba?
Milo.
Kiki, 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 Kiki. Kiki, Kiki, Kiki.
Okay, let's ask Daddy. Help us, please. Daddy.
Help us, Daddy.
Would you tell everyone why did you pick Miss Fittens?
I picked Miss Pittens because I like Miss Pittens.
And you're collecting it, right?
Is and collect.
When did you first collect Miss Fittens? When?
At SM.
When nga?
Hindi ko na, baka last year.
4 years old?
Mga 6.
Okay.
And my una one is Jet.
Okay.
My second one is Archie.
Tan tadan, tan tan
And
tan,
my second one is, my third one, Luna. And my last one is Whiskey. And this is the final.
The final. You don't like it anymore? Why final? There are lots of Miss Fittens.
Kakabili pa ito eh.
What did you open?
Touch.
Ah!
Touch.
Okay.
What's
Ooh,
that?
what's that? What's that?
I don't know.
Gibson. Careful. Sino?
What's that?
Ha? Okay na maigi pa masira. Careful.
Uh-oh, I think Mommy won. Wow, who's that?
Gibson!
Wow,
Gibson, ang
Gibson.
ganda. Oh, may guitar. Oh, look. May guitar.
Where are the names?
Gibson.
Here.
Oh, meron dyan.
Oh,
Yeah.
here. Oh, you showed them. This is Gibson, oh, at the back.
This is Gibson.
Mm-hmm. So, who won?
Daddy.
Yeah. Told ya, it's Gibson.
Hey, sit down.
Show it.
Are you happy? Oh, you say thank you to Lola.
Thank you, Lola.
Meron pa siya. Let's remove that na lang later. Huh?
I will sleep with it now because it's nighttime.
Where did you get this?
At SM, at the toy store warehouse. We buy because there is price sale, like 50% off, 70% off, 22% off.
At SM Mega Trade Hall.
Yes. What? You are gonna trade with money.
Are you happy?
Yes. Now I have a 6.
Oh.
I mean 5.
Are you sure?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Ang pinsin natin.
Wow. So soft.
Pag ganun mo pa, may
And
konti.
I also like Gibson's eyeglasses.
Eh, nanalo
It's
si
hard.
Daddy. Si Gibson. Si Gibson naman to yun. Frosting. Fish patty. Fish patty. Confetti. Bye guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.